Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna unbox Realme new smartphone Realme's N63. Narzo N63 is here. So in this video, I will share my experience and whether you should buy this smartphone or not. So watch this video till the end. You can see the specifications given on the back side of this box, and let me open it first and share the things what you get inside the box. So as you unbox this box, the first thing you get is a mini box in which we have one sim ejector tool, some user manual like this, and one simple transparent cover. The price of this smartphone is really very low. It is available at the price of 8500, and after the smartphone we have one type C cable in white color. The quality of cable is great, and after this in last we have one 45-watt superbook charger. This is the main thing. The main highlight is this, that this smartphone has 45-watt charging at this price point, and so this is a really good, which is not available at the price of 15,000 also. So this is the main thing what you get inside the box of this smartphone. So here we have the smartphone, the first look. As you can see the design of this smartphone, Narzo N63 looks like an iPhone. As you can see here we have vegan leather finish, so the quality of this smartphone is really great. You won't have any problem like scratches and smudges. So the as far as quality is concerned, I would say the quality is really great. Narzo branding is given on the bottom here, and here we have two cameras, and in the third portion we have flashlight. Talking about the design quality, it is really amazing and you will not have any problem regarding the design quality. And in terms of look, it is really good, and if you are an iPhone fan, then definitely you're gonna like it. Now let me turn it on and show you the display quality, which kind of display you get in this smartphone. So here we have around 6.5 inches display, which is an IPS HD plus panel, so you will not get full HD plus display in this smartphone. Now let me show you the user interface. So here we have the user interface of this smartphone. You get a little bit extra applications in this phone, so you can delete them. And as far as refresh rate is concerned, I would say here we have the information regarding the refresh rate of this phone. So here we have the information about it. You can use this smartphone up to 90 hertz with up to 90 hertz refresh rate, so the smoothness is great. As far as the price of this smartphone is concerned, I would say according to its price, it is really good that you can use this smartphone at 90 hertz refresh rate, which is not even available at the 80k iPhone 15 also doesn't have 90 hertz refresh rate. You can see the design of the display. Here's the notch, so you get kind of notch in the display. And talking about the colors, so colors are great but the brightness is average. And on the left side we have SIM slot. You can insert two SIM card and one memory card, three things at the same time, but it's a 4G smartphone, it's not a 5G smartphone. Here we have on the bottom charging port, speaker, mic, headphone jack, and on the right side we have volume rockers and power button. Fingerprint scanner is given on the right side in its power button, so you get these kinds of like things on the side frame. And on the top we have nothing. Talking about the RAM and storage, what you get in this phone, so two variants are available. In just rupees 8500 you get 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. And in terms of RAM and storage, I would say according to its price, it's really great that you get this much of RAM and storage in this phone. And here are other information, you can read it. After this we have Android 14, and you can expand its RAM also by 4 GB, so total would be 8 GB of RAM. And here we have Android 14, the latest version of Android you get in this smartphone. Now let me restart this phone and show you the speed, what kind of speed you get in this phone. And I would say if you are a normal user, like you don't like gaming and you are not a heavy user, you are just a casual user and you are looking for a smartphone for your mother and grandfather, grandmother, your parents, so there would be no problem for them. But if you are a heavy user, then I would suggest that you can add more money in 8500, and in around 12,000 11,000 you can get a better option in this range. So if you are a normal user, then there would be no problem for you. But if you are a heavy user, I would suggest you again that this smartphone would not work that much for you. So I would say it's okay and average in terms of performance. As you can see, it took this much of time in restart test. And talking about the battery, Here we have 5000 milliampere battery in this smartphone, which is the great thing. You can get 1 day battery backup easily in this smartphone, so there would be no problem regarding the battery backup. And the charger what you get inside the box is really great as compared to other smartphones also in the budget of 12K. So I would suggest you that if you are if you are planning for a smartphone in which you get a good battery and charger, then definitely this smartphone would work really well for you. And these are the features you get. And let me tell you the camera information also. So on the back side we have 50 MP main camera, but the performance is average. It doesn't perform that much good in terms of camera performance. If you are a normal user, then there would be no problem for you. But if you are you are planning for a smartphone in which you get a good camera setup, then this device would not be the best choice for you. So in terms of display quality, it's okay, the design is also great, and in terms of battery and RAM and storage, this smartphone is really great for you. And if you have low budget problem, then you can consider this smartphone. But if you are planning for a smartphone in which you get better performance, best performance and best camera, then I would suggest you to look for other smartphones also in this same price, in the segment of 8500 to 9000, and you can add more money so that you can get a better smartphone in just by adding 100 1000 to 1500. Sorry for my bad English, I'm not that much fluent, but I'm trying to tell my opinion regarding this smartphone. Now you tell in the comment section how do you like it or not. Do let me know in the comment section whether you would buy it or not. Do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for latest updates, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.